Welcome to our channel, where love and relationships take center stage. Today, we've got a topic that's been on everyone's mind: how to make a woman fall in love with you. Yes, you heard that right, gentlemen. We're here to unlock the secrets to capturing someone's heart. So, grab your notebooks because this is going to be a game changer. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our love-filled content. Now, let's get started. 1. Confidence is key. Picture this: you walk into a room, and all eyes are on you. What's the secret ingredient? Confidence. Confidence is magnetic, it draws people in. When you believe in yourself, others can't help but be attracted to your charisma. So, start by working on your self-esteem. Dress well, maintain good posture, and don't forget to smile. A genuine smile is your best weapon to break the ice. 2. Be a good listener. Now, it's time to talk about the art of listening. Women love to be heard, so lend them your ears. Show genuine interest in what she has to say, ask questions, and be an active participant in the conversation. Remember, it's not just about hearing words, it's about understanding her feelings and emotions. This will create a deep connection and make her feel valued. 3. Be respectful. Respect is non-negotiable. Treat her with kindness and consideration. Open doors, offer compliments, and be chivalrous. Show her that you truly care about her well-being. It's essential to create a safe and nurturing environment where she can be herself without judgment. This will make her feel cherished and loved. 4. Shared interests. Common interests can ignite sparks. Discover activities you both enjoy and engage in them together. Whether it's a love for hiking, painting, or even binge-watching a TV series, shared experiences build lasting connections. It's in these moments that you'll create memories and deepen your bond. Plus, it's a fantastic way to ensure you both have a great time together. 5. Patience and authenticity. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is love. Be patient and let the relationship evolve naturally. Don't rush things or try to be someone you're not. Authenticity is your greatest asset. Be yourself, flaws and all. When you're genuine, she'll appreciate your honesty and be more likely to reciprocate those feelings. Conclusion. And there you have it, our guide on how to make a woman fall in love with you. Remember, it's about confidence, active listening, respect, shared interests, patience, and above all, being your authentic self. Now, go out there and put these tips into action. Love is a beautiful journey, and with the right steps, you can make it even more extraordinary. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.